In this section, we're going to be talking about finishing touches for our candlestick here. So let's take a look at what we have so far. We have a very large bowl-shaped candle holder, the candle, this top piece or wax, and our wick. Now the candle holder, we may want to shrink a little bit. Let's just see what that looks like. I'll right-click my scale tool, make sure I get it in the center, and we're scaling two-dimensionally to make our candle holder more narrow. And we can take a look from our front view, and we see here that the candle itself is now a little bit wider than the candle holder. Well, one easy way to fix that is to just reuse our scale tool, go back in here, and shrink it slightly. Well, if you notice, that has shrank it quite a bit. So what we may want to do is compromise. We'll shrink it just a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is hold down my scale button and go to my one-dimensional scale. I'll start at the top, down to the bottom, and actually raise the bottom of the candle up to about here. And let's take a look at that. Interesting. And so that's looking pretty good. Now at the top, again, we now have some more room to play with here. So for that, I'm going to maneuver my viewport so that I can see this clearly here as well as here. I'm going to right-click my scale 2D, select, just real slowly, keeping my eyes on the front viewport, shrink the size of this. View, zoom, selected. And so that's looking better. And now finally, let's do some colors. I'm going to select my candle, Object Properties, Color. We'll go to Other. We'll pick sort of a nice cream color for this candle. OK. Now I'll select these two shapes. And just for the heck of it, let's make them a nice gold color. And the base. We'll make that a darker gold. The wick, black. Now these are just our preview colors. Now sometimes when you use your preview colors, it can reveal some places where you need to make adjustments. For example, right here. That's actually this shape here. I can go to my scale tool and just shrink it down a little bit. We'll preview again, and now it's fixed. And so there's our candlestick. I'm going to save changes now.